Hey gang, so I went on Pan the Organizer's website, so shout out to Pan the Organizer, and he had a video regarding Glassparency, which is a a two-step process, a one-time application glass coating for your windshield, and they're doing a free giveaway. You just pay the shipping. I want to say it was $9 if memory serves me correctly, but it came, so it's a super legit deal. So if that's still available, I don't know if you need to hop in through his YouTube account, maybe give him the view and subscribe or give him some love. But this is supposed to be pretty premium stuff. Cream cleanser. And this is my first time to be looking at it as well. Obviously, I just pulled it out of the envelope that came. And then here's the two-step application process. Ultra hydrophobic. I'm not sure the actual time that it's going to stay on window, but it's supposed to be very long, with minimal maintenance and upkeep. Little scuff scour pad. But I'm super excited to use this. I just haven't seen anybody else that's taken advantage of this, so I wanted to go ahead and let somebody see that this is a legit deal. So shout out to Glassparency and Pan the Organizer. I will put this on the card, give you guys an update on how that actually turns out. Thanks again. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Thanks.